Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a quinoa recipe for weight loss. The ingredients required are sliced onion few, chopped tomato, few green beans and green peas, 1 cup of quinoa, 2 tablespoons of split moong dal, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of ghee, few cumin seeds and 1 red chili, salt for taste, chopped spinach and chopped green beans, grated paneer. Add ghee, add few cumin seeds, add 1 red chili, add the sliced onion, add chopped tomato, add the green beans and green peas, add chopped beans, add the washed quinoa and split moong dal. So I have used 1 cup of quinoa along with split moong dal and I've used 5 cups of water for that. Add the chopped spinach, add red chili powder, add garam masala powder, add salt. Pressure cook for 3 whistles and our quinoa is ready. Sprinkle some grated paneer for this.